we're gonna learn how you can install the Cloudstream extension repositories to Nuvio. So we're gonna have to install the GitHub version of Nuvio, that is Nuvio Enhanced. Just launch your browser and you're gonna Google search for Nuvio Enhanced GitHub. Click on the first link here from GitHub, Nuvio Mobile Enhanced. Scroll down, come to the bottom, tap on latest release. Scroll down, come to assets and you're gonna tap on the topmost file here, this one. Once you tap, it will begin downloading. Once downloaded, just install the APK file and you'll have the Nuvio Enhanced. Let's open up Nuvio Enhanced. You're gonna come to the profile section inside the Nuvio. Scroll down, you're gonna find this content and discovery, and here you'll have the Cloudstream option. Tap here and you have the option to add the repository URL. Only the repositories from GitHub are supported. So we're gonna firstly find the repository URL. Launch your browser once again and simply Google search Cloudstream repository GitHub. Click on the first link here, Cloudstream repos. Scroll down, come to CS repo section, tap on show list of repositories. We've got few repositories here. I'm gonna add the mega repository. We're gonna just need the repository URL. You can try any of these repositories. So the main objective was to get the repository URL, but the repository URL is not visible here. So long tap on the repository name and just copy link address. Once you do that, go back to Nuvio, input the repository URL, paste. As you can see, it's directly from GitHub. Tap on add repository and thus the repository has been added. You're going to come down here and just tap on install and enable. So that's how you can add the Cloudstream repositories in Nuvio. Just give a thumbs up. If you have any questions, write in the comments and subscribe to this channel.